crazy. Who would have thought there's a waterfall in Manila?
Something doesn't seem right here.
No.
Turn when I roll up, spin around like a donut. Got a feeling that I can't lose. Show it off like it's new shoes. I got something you can't explain. La 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 la. In a metaphysical kind of way. La 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 la. There's something magic inside my veins.
Good morning, guys. It is Monday, a little bit gloomy today, and we decided spontaneously to explore the areas around Manila a little bit and also head on out to Rizal. Tell me how to pronounce it. And you know, see what adventurous things you can get down to here around Manila. So we jumped in the car and drove over to, I keep forgetting the name, Hinulugan Waterfall. Yes, Hinulugan Taktak Waterfall, which is just an hour away from Manila. Nelly drove here so I could get some B-roll on the way here. How did you enjoy driving?
Not that much. I am really sweaty. I got all sorts of anxiety. I think I need a chamomile tea now. I would say Etze is the highway from hell.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Hey kitty. This guy's just chilling out right in the middle of the stairs.
Can you feel it? Like a beehive, sky high on the good vibes, jump in, you can come too, just tell me what you wanna do, yeah. I got something you can't explain, la 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 la, in a metaphysical kind of way, la 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 la. There's something magic inside my veins, la 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing, I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it?
Wow, that's really quite a nice waterfall. I really didn't expect seeing a waterfall like this after driving out of the city for just like 40 minutes. Here it is. We came down here and it's starting to rain. We came down here and it was right here. It's huge actually. It's not such a high drop, but it's very wide. Only thing is the water is a little bit smelly. I think there seems to be some sewage coming from upstream. It's not bad, but just the water splashes kind of in your face when you're standing here, so
It's not
something to note.
It's not a swimming.
No, it's not a swimming place, but it's really,
kind of.
it's nice.
Yeah, it is. It looks bigger than on the pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What a lot of people say about me. It was sunny all day and now we just arrived and now it starts raining. Oh well.
Alright, the real reason why we came here is because we heard there are a lot of pets.
Looks like a very young Barney.
Aww. Hey kitty. Hello. Next?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Shall we venture out deeper and deeper into the Rizal province?
Yeah.
Rizal?
Yeah. We're probably saying it the wrong way, but
Oh, look at that. Check it out, guys. I really love to like go really low with the aperture when there's moss like this, and then you lock the gimbal and you just glide. Oh. And no, it's not out of focus, it's bokeh.
bokeh.
Biodiversity when it comes to foliage.
True, yeah, it's very green here. It's a nice change from a concrete jungle.
Yeah, true. Very true. Now it's more of a jungle than a concrete jungle.
So let's see what else Rizal has to offer.
Oh my god, it's so humid right now. So the entrance fee is 200 pesos for foreigners. I don't know why they made us pay the foreigner fee.
100 pesos per person.
Per person, yeah. So 200 for us both. And what is it for locals?
30. It's 30 pesos for locals and 100 for foreigners. We tried to tell them, hey, we're not foreigners, actually, you know, we live here now. We live in Manila. And they're like, ah, yeah, good one.
This is a great spot for plane spotting.
So
we're just on the way to a rock formation, and we just pulled off the road here because we saw a little opening in between the trees, and it seems like they're building like a, I don't know if it's going to be a gated community, but it has a beautiful outlook. And what I just discovered is these beautiful rice terraces right behind us.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, let's go. Also,
look at that, yeah.
Mike changed to the wheel. He didn't like my driving.
Yeah. I don't like if I want to take a merry-go-round, I'll take a merry-go-round.
Fair enough. I'm not used to Manila traffic yet. Need some training.
Driving for an hour, around about an hour I'd say, on very scenic, very curvy roads on our way to the
rock formation.
The rock formation, and we're almost there now. We just pulled off the main road and we're going deep and deep into the green. Really scenic, really beautiful. Yeah, actually, I didn't know that there's such a nice mountainous, hilly, lush green area just a few minutes outside of Manila.
Yeah.
Stunning. And really nice roads. I mean, this road now is bumpy.
Yeah, it is.
But like all the roads leading up to here have been really smooth. It's been a lot of fun driving with this car up and down the curvy roads. So I don't know how far we can drive to the rock formation and how far we have to walk and hike. But I think we'll assess the situation once we're there. And maybe launch the drone into the air and do some recon work with the drone. Can't you handle the adventure, Nelly?
No, I can't. It's been a while. Something doesn't seem right here.
No. The lack of road is disturbing. Disturbing, for sure.
Should we give it a try or should we have a look?
Let me just check.
All right. Alright, I'll just stay here in the car all by myself. Okay, two things are not really good. The sun is setting in, I would say, 1 hour. The second bad thing is that it seems it's going to start raining.
Look, I'm not saying that we cannot drive here, but I think we should not drive here. I also see a little bit of an interesting situation concerning turning around.
Okay.
I'm glad this car has a rear view camera.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just check Google Maps how far away we are.
I thought it's a very accessible area. Maybe it's the other way around. Maybe it's where the sign says something hills.
No, I think this is literally like you'd start hiking from here.
Okay. And it's a 1 hour hike.
It's a 1 hour hike, but looking forward, it's just like mud and slush. There's no way we're gonna walk here.
Okay.
I can launch the drone
Okay.
and kind of scope out the area with the drone.
All right. Yeah.
Let's do that.
But maybe launch the drone somewhere where there are less trees.
Yeah, I mean, I can start here and kind of fly through here and then lift up.
Whoa. Okay, that was just a fly.
Damn, city girl.
Why it's so quiet here?
So super quiet here.